Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do weekly love reading for Leo, fire sign for the month of December, and this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So Leo, let's see your messages. Page of Pentacles, Queen of Cups, Knight of Wands. Someone coming back to you, they are very passionate about you, Leo, and that could be fire sign also. Your person could be fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Yeah, they are rushing towards you. They are very passionate about you, and so yes, some communication also. Page of Pentacles, you will receive some message from your person and communication. I think you have strong emotions for your person, and your person also have strong emotions for you. Queen of Cups, I think it is you, Leo, because you are very caring and giving person and sharing person in this connection. You have a lot of emotions for your person, and for some your person also have emotions. Okay, take what resonate and leave the rest. Definitely they are coming back and they are very passionate about you, and you or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see some more. Judgment, the Sun. Wow. Six of Pentacles. I think in past in your relationship there is no equal give and take, definitely, because you only the person always giving in this connection, but there is no equal give and take. But now your person coming back to offer equal give and take to you, Leo. Yeah, they are coming back for offering this. I think some major decisions. I think you may be taking some major decisions in regarding this connection, or your person may be. So energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate. Definitely the Sun. For some, you both could be have children also, or one person maybe have children in this connection. Children's involved for some. Yeah, definitely major decision. I think for some your person realize you both. If you are in separation, they are coming back and they want to offer equal give and take. If you are not in separation, then your person want to take this relationship to next level. Judgment, definitely some major decisions. You or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. I think you are going to be take some major decisions, Leo. See, Two of Swords, Ten of Wands, Seven of Pentacles. I think you are at some crossroads. Yes, you have to take some decision, Leo, regarding this connection. I think your person may be night energy. They are in and out of your life. That's why you are feeling overburdened, because there is no equal give and take in past. You are feeling overburdened, and you may be in this relationship for a long time. You only one person investing in taking care of this relationship, but your person not. You invested in this connection, always waiting for the results. That's why for some there is breakup or separation. Now your person coming back for to offer equal give and take. Yes, this time you have to take decision. Right now you are at some crossroads. Yeah, Leo, you have to make right decision. You or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Lot of earth energies here. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, Five of Wands, King of Swords, Three of Wands. Definitely this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different city, different countries, or different states. Yeah, you are going to take decision finally. King of Swords, you are very honest person. You are very committed in this relationship. You are, but your person not offered equal give and take in past. Definitely there are some disputes between both of you. Five of Wands. I think there are some deception in the resistance in this connection. I am getting what here there is some resistance in this connection. So you are putting 100% effort or whatever in this connection, but your person not. Now they realize you both, they're coming back, but you are taking some major decisions. For some you may be accept their offer, for some you may not. Definitely for some you are also waiting for your person to come back towards you, but you are not going to take any more towards them because you are in waiting mode. Definitely for some it is waiting game. 3 of Wands. Definitely you are waiting. You turn your back from your person, Leo, for some. For some, definitely you want to give clarity to your person. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, lot of air energy. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, air energy. So let's see your person current feelings and then near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what is going. First we will see your person current feelings. Leo. Energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate and leave the rest. Temperance. 9 of Swords. 6 of Cups. Yeah, they want reconciliation. They are thinking about you a lot. They are thinking about you a lot. Leo. Temperance. Definitely they are waiting for the right time to come towards you. Temperance means patience and balance. Definitely in past there is no balance in this connection. But now 9 of Swords, your person thinking about you a lot. Especially at night times they are unable to sleep. Yeah, they are thinking about you and they are in this energy. They are in anxiety. And they are in some type of anxiety. And 6 of Cups, definitely they have strong emotions. Or for some you both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. Definitely they are thinking about reconciliation with you. Yeah, reconciliation. But they are waiting patiently for the right time to come towards you. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see the near future actions towards you. Leo, your person near future actions towards you. Seven of Cups, 5 of Pentacles, Princess of Wands. And one more card I want clarification, Tower. Yes, definitely this separation, whatever happening between both of you creates so much pain to your person because they are literally undergoing some Tower moment. Because 7 of Cups is some confusion. They are fantasizing of, I think lot of you, your person fantasizing about you a lot. Yeah, definitely 5 of Pentacles. They feel the pain, the separation pain between both of you. They are very, very passionate about you. They want to message you. Communication, definitely you will receive some communication from your person. And you, one person in this connection may be angry than the other person. They are very, very passionate about you. Yeah, definitely they are undergoing some Tower moment. This separation is Tower moment for your person. They are very, very sad. They are thinking about you a lot, Leo. You or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. Energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate. 2 cards. Four of Cups, I think one card here. Knight of Cups. Okay, 6 of Wands. Mutual energies where this connection is headed in near future. Wow, Ace of Pentacles. I think most of you will reconcile in near future definitely because I think 4 of Cups. One person may be thinking about not accepting the offer, but they will. Definitely this person will also accept the offer. It could be you or your person because Knight of Cups, the other person have strong emotions. I think it's your person, Leo. I think it's you maybe thinking about this, but for some you are going to be accept their offer because your person have strong emotions for you, Knight of Cups, but they are in very slow moving energy. They are coming back because they want success with you. 6 of Wands with Ace of Pentacles. This time definitely they want to be honest with you. They want success with you and they want to offer this long-term commitment to you. Yeah, they want to success with you. So yeah, they are in so much pain. They are coming back to you. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. A lot of water energies here. Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So Leo, let's see your overall energy for the week. Page of Cups, Page of Swords, High Priestess and Hermit. your person could be Virgo also. Definitely you are undergoing some spiritual awakening. You are not talking to your person, that's why you are behaving like this Four of Cups, and you are listening to higher self. Definitely your higher self is with you, they are guiding you. And Page of Swords, definitely some spying is going between both of you. I think you may be spying on them on social media, or your person may be. Some messages coming. Definitely, I already told you in starting video, some messages coming in. Your person want to say apology to you. Yeah. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. Already told you they have strong emotions. Queen of Cups, Seven of Pentacles, the Fool with Ace of Cups. Wow. Their love towards you is overflowing. They want to take leap of faith this time. Definitely they want brand new beginnings with you guys, Leo. They want to invest in this connection. And Queen of Cups, definitely they have strong emotions for you. They want to share their love with you. They want to share their life with you. Okay, Leo. So a lot of earth energy, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or water energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. You or your person could be. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys, and click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my videos. Bye.